Yo, what's going on, guys? Top of the evening. Nothing like a beautiful green day to have everyone's spirits up for the day at least, right? Not a lot of nonsense going on today. Some good news coming out of the AMC camp. We'll touch on that briefly here in a second. And then just some few random things, a couple important things here tonight, but mainly very good day for the stock, right? GME ran like a son of a gun too with some monster volume for GME. Normally GME is 1.2, 1.5 million, roughly somewhere in there. Today, almost 5 million. So that was crazy. A bunch of volume popped in there in the morning. Our volume today over here on the beautiful AMC, a little bit low today, obviously, but we did run. Maybe some anticipation for the earnings. As we know, we got earnings coming up next week, a week from today, or 6 days, depending on when you're watching this, is late Monday night. So that is good news too. So we got a whole week to get jacked up for that. And hopefully Adam Aaron will announce this beautiful piece of news that he's been harboring and hovering into there. So, yeah, his partnership with Netflix. Oh, sorry, did I say that? That makes too much sense, you guys. So who knows, in the 9 months and 10 months of all the madness we have, when something makes too much sense, it usually is not the case, right? So we'll see. Who knows? I don't know anything. I'm just throwing it out there again. That makes too much sense to partner with Netflix. So obviously, we'll see. So let's dive right into this old son of a gun. Look at this. Shout out to our boy Jackson Hunter for sharing this portion of the email sent from AMC. Look at the bottom. This has been the talk of the day. Basically, AMC taking a shot at RobingHood, however you want to slice this up. But, unlike on our last earnings call, there will be no advance voting on the submit questions, as we are not partnering on the earnings call with Say Technologies. Remember last time we did, we could vote on the questions. Given its recent purchase by RobingHood. Yeah. And then here's your press release here. Dated today. This came out this morning, I believe. It's been blasted all over, but if you have not seen it, here is what you need to pay attention to. Earnings call, Monday, November 8th, 2021, 4 p.m. CST, 5 EST, and 2 o'clock my time in beautiful Seattle, Washington. So obviously this will be blasted from here to Kingdom Come, but if you want to do it yourself, you can log on here and there's a little thing. You just put your name in there and it'll bring you to the webcast. Very, very easy to do. And then here, I'll pop this in the link too. I didn't see a lot of people sharing this, but obviously if you're on the investor page, you can see it here. Oh, we got a new free jug of popcorn up top. Look at this right here on the top. AMC Investor Connect will receive a free large popcorn for connecting with us. Outstanding. Thank you, AA. AMC is pleased to invite AMC Investors Connect members to submit questions that they would like to be considered asked by management on the next AMC earnings call. So very simple: name, email address, category, your damn question right here. Click this, make sure you're an AMC Investor Connect, and then boom, submit the son of a gun. So I'll share that if you guys want to pop in a question. Why in the hell would you not, right? Uh-oh. And then no, I've reached my article limit here. No, I am not subscribing for $1 for 4 weeks. I don't care if it's 1 cent for 4 weeks. No thank you, Market Watch. Treasury liquidity is worsening. That's all you really need to see there. Hedge fund Rokus and Alpha, whatever the hell that word is, reportedly incur losses from wrong way bets on yields. That's a damn shame, isn't it? So obviously, the whole market crash, Evergrande, that is still on the top of everyone's mind, a major catastrophic event as such like this will do nothing but help our short squeeze whole entire 9-month scenario. Again, in my opinion, I just think this is going to happen we don't even expect it. I keep thinking, and maybe it's me dreaming, or maybe it's me waking up for 9 months plus and grabbing my phone and all of a sudden seeing AMC at $383 or whatever at 7:30 in the morning. I don't know. I don't think anybody will ever know, but I am prepared for this to go down when we least expect it. And when that is, I don't know. When it happens, I don't care. Whenever it happens, we know, right? We know. The DD is done. Look at this, Invest Ape. I found this guy over here, very underrated. He's got a lot of good tweets on there. I'll pop his Twitter in there, but he shared his Bloomberg terminal. I've seen a lot of people, or him, posting 3 or 4 of these in here. Long story short, AMC's most current ownership, First Trust Advisors, added 617,952 shares. Right there, I can see it there. If I can see it here with my blind as a bat eyeballs. You guys can see that there. So they've upped their position there. From there, it looks like previous position. First Trust Advisors. It's kind of cool. This looks like a lot more updated than what we have access to in here. So you got 930 people adding shares in here. Yeah, that Bloomberg Turbo, that thing's pretty badass. It's expensive as all get up, but still pretty damn cool. So yeah, people still firing aboard, buddies, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this, guys. Remember a couple nights ago when I shared the old stupid-ass stock twits? Look at this. I just happened to be cruising along here. This is about 2 hours ago I found this. This was posted 8:14 p.m., so probably Eastern time. I don't know what this damn stock twits is. But shout out to Hoy Poji 03. He shared my video here, right? And then look at this about this Sterly dude. And then look down below. Sterly comes in, LOL. And then more importantly, right here, the host actually messaged me to tell me they done it. They were dead proud of themselves. No, sir, I didn't message you. But what's funny about this is I didn't know until after I posted this guy here how many of you guys actually know who this shill is in here. It's just hilarious to me. Now, he has to be getting paid, right? Do we know that this guy is getting paid? Because how do you spend that much time in there putting together all these shitty posts? That's a lot of posting. 18,000 posts, right? Holy shit. So that was outstanding. There you go, Sterling. Oh, should we leave him? Can we message him right here? Let's do this live on the air. Oh, I got to log in. No, pass. Anyway, outstanding. Super funny. Here we go. 469,000 eyeballs, you guys, on the CNBC documentary. Remember what we touched on? When was this at when we first did it? It was nowhere near there. I think it was 80,000. So anyway, October 29th, this thing fired off on Friday, right? And we're almost at 500,000 views. This is good. This is good. Whether you like the damn thing or not, it's outstanding. I love it. Look at this, Forbes. Keep that in mind when you look at the 5 top gainers of 2021 through October 29th among stocks with a market value of $2 billion or more. Anytime you're getting down in the dumps and you're sick of the sideways trading and the short ladder attacks and the shorting, just remember, folks, just remember where we were in January. Whether you bought in January or whether you bought into the run-up or any time in between, remember, this thing is trading at above its all-time high prior to this massive short attack, the year's worth of nonsense, right? So we are just fine, ladies and gentlemen. A couple other things. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the page. Wall Street Bets. Yes, an AMC to the moon again post. I seen this earlier. This is badass. On the original Wall Street Bets with an AMC with upvotes, comments, and awards. Yeah, boy. That's outstanding. Shout out to the boys and girls over there on the OG Wall Street Bets for actually liking the post and upvoting the post over there. Badass. And before we get going, you guys, 71%, we'll call it, right? 71 and some change in the pool of darkness. Same thing every week. 1.3 million pieces of ammunition over here. We got to keep an eye on this options chain this week. 17,976. How many do we have out of the money? 84,000 out of the money. So let's see. Let's bust 40, see how many go into the money, see how much more of the option chain get loaded up this week. But yeah, very good start to the week, you guys. A lot of good moods, and it's good mood for me too. I love seeing green. It's been a while since we've had a run up like this, right? Even if it's a day, it's still outstanding. Okay, guys, that's it. We will see what happens tomorrow, and I'll catch you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.